See how friendly they are? The emus. Here, come out on YouTube, baby. Hey, emu. Guys, today we're in Travelers Campground. A lot more coming up next. Leslin Adventures. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of Leslin Adventures. As you can see, we're ready to bounce. Our summer trip is officially here. Summer across the south. Let me give you an idea more or less what we're doing. So let me put this map here so you could get an idea. So we're gonna get a head start from here. We're gonna head to a little above Gainesville, Florida, in a place called Travelers Campground. Then Camp Golf in Destin, Florida. Up to North Georgia and Margaritaville at Lake Lanier. Then another beautiful campground near a river in the Georgia mountains, borderline with North Carolina. River falls at the gorge. Then we're gonna start heading back down. We're gonna stop in Jekyll Island, then 𝗃𝗏𝗱𝗲 Springs near Central Florida area, and then back south in the Florida Keys. See you in our next stop, Travelers Campground. Peace. Guys, another beautiful day here at Travelers Campground. Let me show you around. It's mighty early, so it's still kind of dark, so bear with me. We got here yesterday. I wasn't able to get footage for you guys, but I'm gonna do it right now so give you guys an idea what this place looks like. So these are the sites. They're all pulled through sites, very spacious, very nice. They're all full hookups, including 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗀. I believe the nightly rate here is $65. I gotta check again. My wife is the one that handles all of that. Very convenient. I-75 is on the other side over there. Very easy access. I believe it's mile 399 on 75. So I will try my best to give you more or less an idea and feel what this park looks like. And they got emus here. Look at this. Look at this guy. I know it's mighty early. Whoa, he's going crazy. There goes the emu for you guys. So it's very family oriented. Place is very, very nice. The people that work in here, they're amazing. They have great hospitality. It's pretty much in the countryside of Florida. They have donkeys over there, goats, and roosters. But you see the campground, it's kind of like in a hill. And that's the upper area, and this is the lower level. So it's quite big. It's quite big. These sites here are like your interior sites. You got a lot of tree coverage. I'm guessing that these people here are longer term. That's why they're probably parking this section of the park. But very nice, very nice. So this here is like the upper level of the campground. I showed you guys from down there. So this is much cooler up here too, but that's 75 right there. So there is a bit of road noise, but nothing major that it's gonna affect you staying overnight here. Very, very nice, guys. Very nice. So this is where you'll come in, you'll pull through here, you stop, you'll check into the office. They have a laundromat as well. They have ice. Very nice, guys. Now check this out. They rescue macaws and they're all living here. I know it's kind of dark, so just bear with me, guys. But there's macaws here. I don't know if you guys can see them in there, but they're macaws. They're probably still sleeping. I don't know if you can see it right now. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 macaws in there. Okay, they have this playground, that pavilion, a fireplace here. Oh look, the macaws are wanting to make noise now. Hey guys, what's up? Yee-hoo! Good morning. So look, these are their names. They're over there, and they are rescues. See, as you can see, rescues. This here is their pool area. Very nice, very well maintained, guys. Very well maintained. We got here yesterday around 3, and we were gonna come here, but it rained so badly that they closed down the pool. But here, just to give you an idea how nice it is, just to, you know, chill after a long drive, get yourself a nice beverage, and just enjoy your day. That's the name of the campground, okay? Travelers Campground. Highly recommend this to overnight, okay? Whether you're coming from South Florida or from out of state, this place is good, okay? This is your gateway to get out of Florida or to get into Florida. Highly recommend it. Well, as I mentioned earlier, that's 75. The exit from 75 is over there. I believe it's $3.99. You'll get off and you'll come through here. Very easy access, and they'll escort you to your site. All right, so another interesting fact about this place that's nearby, their springs, the Florida springs are nearby. So you got 3 springs nearby. You got 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 Blue Springs, you got 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 Springs, and you got Genie Springs, as well many other springs, but these ones that I mentioned, they're around 10 to 20 minutes around the area. This place is good because it's full hookups, and you know, you're not with all that craziness from the springs, all the young kids and all that stuff. You could stay here and just drive over there and check out the springs as well. So that's another cool thing about this place. They also do propane fills, which is very convenient. We came here caravanning from South Florida. These are Robert and Stella here, RV and boating, as we traveled with them before. That's Mary and their family in that motorhome over there, and that's us back there. We're all heading to Destin today, so that's why I'm doing this video super early, because we have to get on the road ASAP. So I'm gonna see if I go in the drone now, get better footage, and show you guys a better perspective, as I usually do when I do my reviews. But if you like our content, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. More sunlight now, so the emus, so we got emus here, more over there, donkeys, goats. It's a very nice campground for the entire family, guys. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Travelers Campground here, very good. Now we're gonna continue heading to Destin, Florida, but that will be in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.